I got old products, expired products, ridiculous products, and repeat products. Yeah. Привет, hello, and bonjour. How are you guys doing today? Oh my god, you have purple hair. Yes, I do. And I have a video about that coming up soon. But I just want to quickly say I did this yesterday and I filmed a couple of videos before I did my hair dye. So if you see me with my usual blonde hair in the next couple of videos, don't fret. Everything's okay. I'm trying to pre-film a few things because fingers crossed if everything goes well, I will be going back to Canada next week for a little bit. So I wanted to make sure I have content up while I am away. Why am I uploading this one now? Well, my friends, I saw, you know, I'm a fan of Glossybox. I love Glossybox with a passion. And I saw last week, they obviously did a Christmas box and a Black Friday box. I didn't get those two, but I saw it was a flash sale of a €5 only, Cyber Monday Super Steel Mystery Box. And I was like, yeah, €5, yes please. So it did end up being €8.95 because it had shipping on it. I kind of very quickly opened it because I thought there would be a Glossybox box inside, but there's not. It's a little bag. So I shut it because I didn't want to spoil anything. I want my true reactions. So here it is. We got a nice pink box, and let us see what's in this mystery box and if it's any good. I've never had a Glossybox one and I'm super curious. So very quickly before I open it, I just want to say this should be, based on what I gather, excess stock from boxes prior, and I think things that maybe didn't come to fruition in boxes, but overall I have no clue what to expect. So let us open it. Yeah, I mean, I kind of saw it, but it's a clear bag and I'm a little confused. This isn't like anything I've seen with Glossybox whatsoever. So we got our little pink papers inside, but we get this clear bag. That's a first for me with Glossybox. But let us jump in and take out the first item we see on top. Is this a real brand? You guys, I can't make this up. This is ridiculous. This is by Booty Babe. Booty Babe as in butt. And we have a lady's butt / crotch area shaped nail polish. What the frick is this? What? I've never ever heard of this brand. The kind of monogram looks very 2000s-ish. And there's no booklet to oh wait, is there? No, there is a booklet at the back, but I don't know if it explains anything. Let me see. Oh my gosh, very hard to get out. Oh yeah, okay, they do go into the products. That's cool. All right, this is helpful. So this is a brand from San Francisco with humor and audacity and quote, bootylicious packaging. And there is actually 24 shades. I mean, it's making me laugh. So it's this very cool looking red with a pink shift. It's separated a little bit, so I'm mixing, but straight up, there's the butt, there's the front of the crotch. Uniqueness, 10 out of 10, but oh my goodness. I mean, this would be really funny to give to someone, and it's not a color I have fitting for the Christmas season, so that's nice, but oh my goodness, how ridiculous is this? Bring up the rear, it says on the top. The brush is a very kind of old, I want to say cheap type of nail polish brush. I'm obviously wearing nail polish right now, so I'm not going to put it on top, but it looks more sheer. You'll need a couple of coats. This is beyond ridiculous to me. I don't know if to laugh or to cry. What? Okay, so this is a nail polish that we got, and this full size is worth about €4. Keep in mind, well, we'll say I paid €5 for the box. Great, that almost covers it. Next, I'll take out this blue bottle to kind of get it out of the way because I can see that it's makeup remover. This is a Cushy Double Effect Makeup Remover, Cleansing and Calming. The packaging, the way it's worn out, makes me feel like this has been on their shelf for a very long time. A very long time. That being said, it's a good size. It's 100 ml, so even if you needed to travel, this you could bring with you. It looks like, oh, it's a made in Spain product. Let me see if I can find it in the booklet. So this one, I mean, you can kind of see it has the separation with the oil, so you shake it before you use it. And supposedly This is worth €11.95, so that's nice. I mean, I always use makeup remover, so I definitely can use this, but I'm still sorry, I'm still laughing at this nail polish. Redonkulous. Next, I'm gonna take out this just because I already have this. This is the Inuit Shell Brush. We got this in the July box, the Aloha themed one, and I don't know if it's, I don't know what kind of makeup you would put on. I suppose a highlighter you could do, but I use this for clay face masks. I find it really nice for applying it that way. So very fun, very nice. Already have it, but I guess I thought it might be extras of things left over from this year. And this guy is worth a shocking €15. Next, I'm gonna take out the thing that's the strangest that I've never seen in a glossy box. We got a smoothie. All right, this is by Pago, and this is mango, coconut, and like paprika type of thing, like a spice. Just a little surprised to get like an edible item. And let's see here. But I'm gonna assume it's probably €3-4 because it's a glass bottle and it seems a little bit fancy. But yeah, it's a new smoothie brand, even though it says since 1888 in the booklet. Oh, no, what? Available from September 2018. And this must be a really old advertisement. I don't know who put this together. This is a little bit strange. But yeah, fun. I'm not crazy about sweet and spicy beverages. Let's just do it now. The mango and coconut smells good. What's the point? There's a little bit of an aftertaste of like a tickle in your throat type of spice after, so it's not unpleasant. Oh my god. I just got a chunky in my mouth. This better not be expired, my goodness. I think it is, and I'm very confused. Because it says 17, 11, 18. Why would they put an expired drink in your glossy box? What the frick? Yo, I don't think I should be drinking this because the advertisement says 2018 and this says 2018 and that's stressing me out. Oh no, did they put an expired drink? Like, see, that's what I mean. This looks super old. This brand, from what I saw online, came out a while ago, and as well, the label is kind of looking a bit questionable. Let's move on to the next item before I get food poisoning. So next we have Laritzi Cosmetics Shade Sticks, and this is in the shade Aloha. Never heard of this brand. Let us see. So packaging looks like this. I'm assuming it's a contour stick. Yes. And it looks like that. Again, with the kind of, probably can't see. It almost looks like, you know, when it's older, it's kind of melted down and has a film. I'm really curious. I mean, that could work for summer. I'm just really curious how old these products are. It's concerning me a little bit. I mean, even as an eyeshadow base, that could be fun. This guy, full size, is worth, oh wow, €20. Really? Okay. Next, we get two Biore nose pore strips. Cool. I actually really like these, and they're super expensive, so I hate buying them. But that's awesome. I'll definitely use these guys. And last, we have a little thingy for a discount. And also, yes, this is supposed to be like a summer bag, but it's already like scuffed and scratched and dirty, so I feel bad. I don't want to say I'm gonna throw this away, but I'm gonna keep some random crap in it that I don't care about. So let us dive into our final thoughts. Wow, what an adventure this mystery box was. I'm a little speechless, kind of in a bad way. I just don't know what to say. Obviously a very clever way to get rid of excess and old stock. For €5 or pretty much €9 is what it ended up being for me. Yeah, it's worth the money. Off the top of my head, I think it's about worth €35, €40 maybe this box. As always, I'll put all of the currencies here for you to see what the true value was, but I have questions. Number one, did you really give me an expired 2-year-old smoothie? Like, what? I'm speechless on that. Like, why on earth would you do that? I'll have to send them a message and I'll see if they reply by the time I edit this, but that's redonkulous. Like, absolutely redonkulous. Why? Why do you even have this? Throw it away. Makeup remover, sure, I'll use it, cool. Is it worth €12? Not this size, no thank you. The shadow stick, again, I really don't think that's worth €20. I mean, we'll see, I'll try it, but it also seems, I don't know, like it just, all the packaging and everything, it looks like it's been in their warehouse a while, but cool. This seems to match my shade. Maybe if not now, for the summer, it'll be a nice warm stick contour. The brush, I have it. Thanks for an extra. I'll give this as a gift at Christmas. The nail polish, I mean, this stole the show for me. If at the very least this mystery box was worth a laugh, I got it, and I got my entertainment and everything from here. I can't get over it. It's ridiculous. Quite frankly, just based on the look and the brush, I'm not sure this will be the best nail polish. Maybe I'll be absolutely blown away and bite my tongue having said that, but this makes me laugh and is funny and unique, I guess. And the bag as well. Clearly kind of, excuse my language, cheap crap, and it's already damaged, scuffed, and so that is the 2020 Glossybox mystery box / bag. I got old products, expired products, ridiculous products, and repeat products. Yeah. Is it worth it? I mean, technically, at the very least for entertainment value, sure. The laugh that I got from this aside, no, not a chance. This was dumb. Sorry, I mean, yeah, I can use this. I can give the other one as a gift. Of course, I'll use makeup remover, but I don't know. I didn't really have high expectations, but you think mystery box, it'll be a little bit cool or arranged better, but this just seems like they literally were like, what's at the back of the shelf? Let's get rid of it and charge people some money for it so we don't completely lose out. Because like I said, we paid for the shipping on top of the cost of the box. Yeah, I don't even know what to say. And this booklet, like, it kind of looks like an old summer pack from 2018 based on the booklet, you know what I mean? Which is surprising because this was also in this year's summer box. So quite frankly, if I'm not mistaken in my interpretation, this was, I can't go that far back on the Glossybox website, but this was a Glossybox from July, August of 2018. Wow, yeah, this really looks like this is all an old 2018 summer Glossybox. If anybody has been with Glossybox that long, and I'm in France, remember that? Did you get this in the summer of 2018? Also, they've stepped up a heck a lot if that is the case, but yeah. Surprised? Disappointed? Laughing? My emotions are scattered. But that was the 2020 mystery box. You guys, I decided to have a look after all online. Again, keeping in mind this is the French Glossybox, and sure enough, this is the exact same Glossybox from July 2018. What? Like, I'm not even kidding. Obviously we didn't get 6, we got 2. We got the brush, the nail polish, Laritzi, and this, and the bag, and I don't know why or where the smoothie came in, but I am just a little bit shocked. Like, makeup expires. And I know we all keep our eyeshadow palettes and things like that, but is it not a little bit questionable to be selling it after it's expired? Anyways, wow, I was not expecting that. Yeah. So I don't think, I mean, the nail polish, okay, it's going on my nails. I'm not so sure I can use that makeup remover that's 2 years old. I'll have a look into that. Same with the bronzing stick. The brush, it's a brush. I'm sure that's fine, but yeah, wow. I'm a little... like, I thought it would be stuff from earlier this year, maybe end of last year. You know what I mean? Anyways, just thought I'd quickly pop on to say that. Wow. In any case, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Hopefully it was entertaining for you as it was for me. Let me know your thoughts down below if you got it. What were your thoughts? What was in yours? If you haven't already, definitely give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I do lots of videos regularly now, at least. I hope I can maintain it. Other than that, you can catch me on social media at Slavic Chic, and I'll hopefully catch you guys in the next video. Bye!